Fans, this is my recipe of the month, homemade chili, beef chili. What you're going to need is 2 pounds of ground beef, chili powder, 2 14-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, 1 large onion, some garlic, green pepper, 2 14-ounce cans of red kidney beans, or if you can find chili beans. I don't know if they sell chili beans. And I'll be back in a sec. So what you want to do is, you want to ground the beef until it's nice and brown. That'll take like a few minutes. Put it on a small flame. Don't go crazy, and don't try. If you do, don't try to burn it. And at the same time, you want to add your green peppers, onions, and garlic. This way you have them both going at the same time. And this will probably take like a few minutes or so. Okay, now everyone has their own way of making chili, okay? So some of you might say, oh, that's not the way to do it. There's always some negative people out there. But you do it your way, I do it my way. This happens to, eventually, when it's done, it tastes delicious, okay? I've been making this for a number of years. Someone gave me a recipe one time, and I said, this is amazing. So what you want to do is, when everything is browned, you want to turn that off, and eventually add it to a large pot. Okay, so like so, and then you'll add the onions, green peppers, and the garlic. So that's out of the way. And now we are going to add the 2 14 ounces of cans of crushed tomatoes. That looks good, huh? And now our 2 cans of dark red kidney beans. It's about 4 pounds. This is not like the chili that you tasted at in Washington, D.C. Okay, this is real homemade chili, and you don't have to worry about the the sodium level, because everything here is basically, well, the tomatoes have some sodium in them, but what the hell? Now you want to mix it up. Okay, doesn't this look yummy? Now you also want to add, which I put into a cup, 4 tablespoons of chili powder. You could add more, you could add less. I mean, it's all up to you. Depends on how spicy you want it. And then you just mix that in. Now this whole deal cost me about 17 bucks. Like the meat was $6, onions and the garlic were about $1 a piece, and then the cans were into about $4 or $5, and the chili powder was $2.50. So you get yourself, this is going to make a lot of chili. I don't know how many pounds, maybe 5-6 pounds. With everything added to it. Real homemade chili. And you're going to let this cook for about 3 hours. Okay, and then you're going to put it on this. And do what you got to do, and then when it's ready, we'll partake in some delicious chili, right? Be back in 3 hours. Okay, this is 3 hours later, and this looks delicious. I'm going to have myself, it's very hot, I'm going to have myself a little bowl. And this is all fresh, natural ingredients. No extra added artificial flavors or sodium or anything to make you sick. Check that out, huh? Doesn't that look mouth-watering? Well, there you have it, folks. I'm going to have a little of this pretty soon. That's my recipe for the month. Beautiful Brian's chili con carne. Enjoy.